What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be playing xscape. You guys know I said yesterday, I did tell you I was gonna play. Yeah, I'm gonna play xscape. Okay guys, easy. Okay, I think two people are still in easy. You guys don't know, I kind of know it. I've played it at the night. I only want to run around. Easy was kind of hard, but still, let's just spectate. He's outside. Okay, what are they doing? What are they doing? You guys can see I got one trophy. It's actually hard. I'm new to this game. I'm trying to win the rounds, but it's actually hard. I have watched videos. Okay. Is this the last? Whoa. Okay, I'm just there. When you press that button, what happens? Stop it, girl. Oh, look. Then that comes. You go up there. No, you go off. She died. No need to to the person. You go there. You go there. Okay, I'm just looking like I'm not that good. Why is he standing? I need to know all of it. No, he died. Doesn't matter now. Oh, he didn't die. Go there. Up there. Okay, where's the exit? I think that's the exit over there. You guys. Okay. You guys know this is not even my character. I'll just look. I'm jumping. Look, I'm gonna walk backwards. You guys can. That's not even me. Oh, the escape. Yeah, time to do our first round. So, Sonic 70567 power. Come on, we need more people. 3. No. Bye. I'm just killing everybody. Oh no, I'm already starting bad. You guys, it's hard. One person already died. It's only me and someone else. It's gonna be hard. I have to press some of the bones as well. We're here. This is our second one, you guys. What's this? You go on the upper ladders, do you? You go up here. You go on that ladder. Okay. I think this is the last room. What room is it? This? Okay, this is tricky. I'm just gonna throw this guy. Okay, I'm gonna go for this. You guys, you look so scary. You guys, what's coming? Guys, I don't even know what to do now. You guys, guys. maybe one. No, you guys. No, you guys. I failed. Oh man, that was hard. Why does everybody pick medium now? Medium is not the lucky one. Please, we need more people. No, why are they all picking medium? Don't pick easy, please. No, it's gonna be hard. We need lots of people. Come on. Come on, hours. Where's the other guy? No. She joined. Join here. Yes. You guys, no. Okay, there's 4 people. What's this? Okay, follow them. Whoa, that's hard. You guys, I'm keeping dying. No. You guys, I can see a shop. Okay. Dash. Oh, I can't buy that. Oh, I can't buy that. Oh, I want this. 12. I'm gonna reach up to 12, you guys. 12 is gonna be hard. Okay, you guys. It's hard. It's gonna be hard. But make sure you subscribe and drop a like and hit the thumbs up so I get good luck winning this round. 1, 2, 3, 4. Got 4 people in here. 4 people. 4 people. We need 5. Come on. 1, 2. There's 2. No, there's 2 in here. We need more people. You guys, I think I have to leave. This server is not good. Guys, I might have to leave this one. Come on, people. Yeah, the picking. 4, 5, 6. Yes! All picking this. It's full, no leave. It's 8 people in here. I can't count. I don't know how much you should say. But 8 people, 8 people. Are we supposed to quit? Let's just, you guys. Whoa, you guys. Whoa, you guys, I almost. Okay, you guys, I'm freezing a little bit. Yes, I'm doing it. 5 people. There's too much noise. Can't shush with the noise. Okay, you guys, I done this one. Yeah, I have. This one is where the lines are. Okay, you guys, got it. Got it. Guys, I'm almost done. Got it. 4 people. If I die, it's 3. Okay, this is gonna be our third one. I think you go on this. Guys. Guys. No, you guys, I'm dead. Wait, you guys. Okay, I think I found one way. You guys. I think you guys give me good luck. The out of died. You guys smashed thumbs up. You guys. Oh, you guys. I got my first round. Okay, where should we go? Just any random numbers. Another good. It's locked. You have to go, you have to go. I got another badge. You guys. I'm winning this. Actually, I'm rocking this. Not rocking it yet. I'm winning some of the matches. No, don't go, don't go, don't go. No, there's less people. No. Why? Okay, you guys. Yeah, you guys. Is this one? Oh, come on, you guys. She's gonna die. What is she doing? No, why did she do that? No, why did she do? Why did she fall? Where are everyone? Where is everybody? You guys, I got it. This one? Okay. I have enough because this one's actually easy and I can make this. Obviously, you guys can't see. I have made this lots of times. Oopsies, guys, I'm stuck. Okay. You guys, I don't need. What's this? I've not seen this before. She died. She's. You guys. She got take I know I went the wrong way, you guys. You guys. Come on, you guys. Guys, no. That's hard. Doesn't matter, you guys. I spend lots of time doing lots of rounds, and it's actually tiring. Yeah, you guys. You guys, I'm just gonna do the last round then. End the video then, because I feel tired a little bit, and I just wanna rest now. I just wanna make videos. Wait, it's only us two. Okay, you guys, we are gonna die. I'm gonna this. Oh, I think I have not Whoa, a guy broke the glass? Did he use it with a pickaxe? Okay. No, you guys. Guys, I'm dying. I'm gonna die. You guys. Oh, too much. You guys, tomorrow I'm gonna have a part two. Flood escape. I'm gonna have another one. Yeah, you guys. Yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.